Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on the About section of the portal. After you log in, the portal will automatically open up to the About section on the welcome page. The welcome page will have a welcome message as well as an opportunity to view our project overview video. Training videos and tutorial videos will be posted here. And any messages from the administration will be posted here. Using the left side navigation, you can navigate towards documentation. It will open up in a separate window. And essentially, this is a manual for the portal and for the Fishial.AI project. Everything you need to know about the portal, as well as the project, will be here on this page. Again, using the left side navigation, you can access help forums. You can view a tutorial that will walk you through the portal. And you can access the Fishial Recognition model and tool. Here, you will be able to drag and drop or use a window, a file select window to upload images and test out the Fishial Recognition model. And thank you for joining our video breaking down the About section of the Fishial.AI portal.